If you hate doing dishes, lazy dinners just got easier. These slippery shrimp lo mein noodles cook up in one pot in 25 minutes. Because let's be honest, you deserve the best things in life, and a mountain full of dishes ain't it. Let's start by making the lo mein sauce. Mix together dark soy sauce to give those noodles a dark, rich color, soy sauce and oyster sauce for saltiness and umami, Chinese cooking wine, sugar, sesame oil for nuttiness, and white pepper for a bit of spice. As always, all the full measurements is in the blog post in the description below. This lo mein sauce is so flavorful. We're also using it as a 2-for-1 sauce. It'll season our stir fry, and we're going to use it as a marinade for our shrimp. I like using larger jumbo shrimp, but whatever size you choose, make sure you use uncooked, unshelled, and deveined shrimp. It'll save you so much time, especially when you're feeling really lazy. Sear the shrimp for about a minute or two on each side or until they just turn pink, then remove them. Don't overcook the shrimp, otherwise they're going to turn rubbery. Now we'll start by cooking the veggies. Start by sauteing the onions on medium-high heat for 1 to 2 minutes or until they just start to become tender. Add in enough garlic to kill a vampire and keep a close eye so the garlic doesn't burn and turn more bitter than your angry auntie. For veggies, I usually like to grab whatever sad, lonely veggies are hanging out in the back of my fridge. Here, that's carrots, red bell peppers, and cabbage. I'm using fresh egg noodles that I bought in the refrigerated section of my local Asian market, and I just prep them according to the package before adding them in. You can also use instant ramen noodles or spaghetti noodles, but if you're using dry pasta like spaghetti, half the weight amount because they'll double in size after you boil them. Drizzle on the lo mein sauce and cook them until all that delicious sauce is absorbed. Toss the shrimp back in and give it a final toss. Enjoy!